Yeah, coming back to you live from Mud Dog Customs, Shade Tree Customs, whatever you want to call it. Done behind customs. Do a little rust repair on this frame support. Had to do a piece of plate in there to hold the spring, shackle. All that was rotted out. Got another frame support out of another truck put in. Had to add a piece of plate right there. It was a little short where we cut it out the other one. Yeah, remember, don't throw your truck away. Let's fix it. You know, since I sent it to the scrap pile. Don't do like Whistling Diesel and scrap them, fix them. Shoo, they won't have no more. Be all gone. All we'll be stuck with is electric cars. Thanks, Biden. Yeah. I'll ride a bicycle before I ride an electric car. Or a horse. Hello. Later. Y'all have a good one.